Well, good morning on this chilly and rainy Sunday. Feeling maybe a little bit more like fall, the mid to late spring outside. UNT and Denton, 47 degrees. Doesn't look like it's raining too terribly much out there at the moment, but already picked up 0.06 of an inch. Fort Worth, 47 degrees. Raindrops on the camera there. Not much rain's fallen across Fort Worth just yet. And Dallas Baptist University sitting at 50. Not expecting today to be a multi-inch rain event or anything like that, but passing showers will be possible. Most of it will just be light to moderate. Starting to fill in a little bit more across DFW right now, but you can also see how kind of the majority of DFW not seeing a whole lot of rain at the moment, but more will move in from the west as we head through the remainder of the morning hours. A little bit heavier rain, some rumbles of thunder across southern North Texas. No severe weather today. I mean, it's very hard to get severe storms when you got temperatures in the 40s and 50s, and that'll be the case today. That's why it's just kind of feeling more like fall today than mid to late spring. But it should be a good rain across the area. I mean, like I said, it's not going to be, multiple inches of rain today, but if you pick up maybe a few hundredths here or there across North Texas, especially if you find yourself underneath those heavier pockets of rain. As we head through the morning, passing showers will be out there. I'm not saying it's just going to rain constantly between now and noon and 1 o'clock, but passing showers will be out there. Grab the umbrella before you head out the door. As we head through the afternoon, look how that coverage really starts to decrease, and by this evening and into tonight, the rain pretty much goes away. I mean, there might be a few lingering showers here or there, but much less coverage than what we're dealing with out there at the moment and what we're going to deal with as we head through the remainder of the morning. Highs today only in the 50s. Won't warm up too much from where we are right now. In fact, if DFW can stay below 57 degrees today, which I think there's a very good chance of that occurring, it will be a record cool high temperature for today. The coolest high we've ever had on this day was 57. I think we'll surpass that today or be below that today with highs only in the low to mid 50s. As we head into the overnight hours, skies try and clear out just a little bit, but then the clouds roll back as we head into tomorrow. Tomorrow will be a cloudy day, maybe a passing shower, but you can really see how not much is going to happen during the day on Monday. Tuesday morning, maybe a few spotty showers out there. What we'll be watching is Tuesday late afternoon into the evening hours. It does look like a round of thunderstorms are possible. There's 5 o'clock on Tuesday. There's 7 o'clock kind of moving over into eastern North Texas. Then those will move farther off to the east as we head into the late evening and nighttime hours. And those storms will carry the potential for maybe some severe weather. Right now, all of North Texas at least under a 1, but anywhere kind of from the Dallas area to the south and to the east under a 2 on a scale of 5. My concerns on Tuesday are hail and wind. This does not look to be like an outbreak type of situation or something like that, but some of those storms could have some hail and wind in them, so we'll continue to watch that as we move closer to Tuesday as well. As far as rain between now and Friday, about 1 to 2 inches across most of North Texas, maybe some higher totals across our eastern areas and perhaps a little lower totals to the west. But I mean, as I showed you on the radar earlier, the west portions of North Texas seeing rain this morning, and they'll take every single drop as drought conditions continue in those areas and lake levels continue to be quite low in those locations as well. Pretty cool tomorrow, only 62 for the high, then around 70 Tuesday and Wednesday, 68 on Thursday, quickly jumping up to 78 on Friday. Then another front moves in as we head into the weekend. That 20% on Saturday looks like there may be a few showers or storms around just first thing in the morning, and then most of your upcoming weekend is dry. Highs around 70s with a little bit of a warm up next week for that first week of May.